Everything we do, what I would say in my company, I think Bobcat was the best decision that I made for my business. My name is Orellana, and I'm the owner of JS Concrete Construction, Inc. We've been in business for 5 years. We do from ground up foundations, we do slabs, we do sidewalks, retaining walls, anything that has to do with concrete. I have the E50s and I have the T76. I also have the 66, and the size of the equipment that I have, I think is the perfect size for everything we do. Before I make my first decision, I went to different brands and I sit inside the cab. And to me, to my person, I think Bobcat has the wider cab. Heavy guy like me, I think I feel more comfortable in a wider machine. The visibility, it's way better to me. When you're backing up, you can see a clear view. All these things brought to me to make that first decision. One of the reasons why I'm still buying a Bobcat brand, you know, Gavin has been a good friend. And so the relationships that I have, anytime I need something, I call him and ask him. So there is a relationship more than a business, a friendship.